question for you if you want to come in, because I'm going through the hats and gloves. See who wants.
We're playing right now.
Dad, what are you doing?
Where's I got your hats and gloves out.
How are we doing?
Can you, it's just go with your schedule? Is that how you do it? It's just, it need to be your schedule.
Nag-aapoy na sila sa baba.
Oh. Si ano? Hindi. Di ba may ano sila pang grinding? Nag-grind yung kamay niya. Nagmumus. Nag-grind. Dinikit.
Dad, Mama?
Kaya siguro, ngayon naka-leave yung lalaki. Siguro kaya ano. Okay, do now your baby. Na dinikit, tinahi. O, diba? Masyado eh. Oh, you can do your music now here while your baby are watching. Where's the baby? Yeah.
You done the baby, Mama?
Eh,
Ikaw na Bakit ako pa?
get my baby. Go get the baby so they can sit here and watch and teach them how to do it.
Oh, no, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. This one? We can't say no, but we need one.
Babae pa.
Oh my gosh.
Manood sila dito ni mother. Oh, she cannot sit. She doesn't like to sit, Jelana. Oh, now she can sit.
I know how to teach.
Oh, she doesn't know. Oh, there you go. Now she can sit. Okay.
This one.
Mama. Ano ito na?
Oh.
Ipakayang mo ka na.
They're all, they're sister. Okay, on the other side, Jelana.
No. Hey, do not do a teacher. Teacher, do it all alone.
Oh, why? She doesn't have a friend?
Hey, baby, you want this is hey, you want her teacher, and Betty. And this you all alone. How about a new toy?
Okay.
Here all alone.
Okay, do your tongue drum now. Your drum.
Sorry. We keep this one, the new one.
Oh, they're friends. Are they talking? Okay, let me try it.
Yeah.
Hindi marunong manood yan. Isa ni dumog mo nga yung ulo niya.
Duling siya, anak.
Suplada siya.
No, I think let's take it out.
Yung ulo niya, padumog mo.
Upong maayos, anak. Upong maayos, anak. Do this like this. Can you do this? Oh, there you go. Oh, like that.
No, what is?
Have grandma read na ba yun? May number naman siya ni 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, there are 2, 1.
Oh, 1. Oh.
2, 1. Let me hear those. 1. This. What is?
You want me to do it now, my turn?
It's no.
Okay, let me see. See.